Get ready to embark on a journey to paradise as we explore the luxurious Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit, a gem nestled along Mexico's stunning Pacific coast. This AAA Five Diamond award-winning resort redefines the all-inclusive experience, blending modern luxury with authentic Mexican charm. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into what makes this beachfront haven a top choice for discerning travelers. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit doesn't just offer rooms. It provides sanctuaries of comfort and style. While specific room categories aren't listed, we know that all suites come with a view to die for, whether it's the endless blue of the Pacific Ocean, the lush tropical gardens, or the resort's expansive pools. Each suite is a spacious retreat, adorned with upscale amenities that'll make you feel like royalty. Picture this. You're lounging on your private terrace, sipping a premium beverage from your well-stocked minibar, wrapped in a plush spa robe. Sounds dreamy, right? But wait, there's more. Every suite comes with its own personal butler service. That's right, you'll have your own Jeeves to cater to your every whim. Need your shoes shined at 3 a.m.? No problem. Want breakfast in bed? Consider it done. The suites are equipped with all the modern conveniences you'd expect. Air conditioning to keep you cool in the Mexican heat, Wi-Fi to keep you connected, though we'd recommend disconnecting and enjoying the view, and flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that relaxation. Some suites even come with their own plunge pools or jacuzzi tubs. Talk about living the high life. And the best part? You get all this luxury without breaking the bank. Rates range from about $672 to $859 per night, depending on the season. Not too shabby for a slice of paradise, eh? Now let's talk about food, because let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. They've got multiple restaurants that'll take your taste buds on a culinary journey. The focus here is on gourmet cuisine that celebrates Mexican flavors and local ingredients. Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly grilled fish that was swimming in the ocean just hours ago, or savoring a mole sauce that's been simmering for days to reach flavor perfection. And it's not just about eating, it's about experiencing. The resort offers culinary classes led by executive chef Guillaume Morantz. You'll get to tour local markets, learning about exotic ingredients before rolling up your sleeves and trying your hand at traditional recipes. Who knows? You might come back from your vacation with some serious cooking skills to show off to your friends. And let's not forget about the tequila. The resort offers tequila tastings featuring renowned brands like Don Julio. You'll learn the difference between Blanco Reposado and Añejo faster than you can say margarita. For those who prefer their alcohol mixed, the upscale cocktail bars serve top-shelf spirits and even offer mixology instruction sessions. So you can learn to make that perfect piña colada and impress your friends at your next barbecue. The dress code is smart casual, so leave those flip-flops in your room when you're heading to dinner. And here's a pro tip. Make reservations for the specialty restaurants in advance. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on these culinary delights. After all that eating and drinking, you might be thinking it's time to hit the gym. But hold your horses. The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit has a better idea. How about lounging by the largest swimming pool in the Nuevo Vallarta region? That's right, this resort boasts a pool complex that'll make your local community pool look like a kiddie splash pad. We're talking multiple pools, including infinity-style options that seem to merge with the ocean horizon. It's like swimming in a postcard. And if you're worried about having to leave your poolside paradise to grab a drink, fear not. The resort features swim-up bars, so you can sip on a mojito without ever leaving the refreshing water. Now that's what I call efficient vacationing. The poolside service is top-notch too. Fancy a snack? Just raise your hand, and a staff member will appear as if by magic, ready to deliver whatever your heart desires. And let's not forget about the beach. The resort sits on a stretch of sandy paradise along Banderas Bay. It's the perfect spot for long walks, building sandcastles, or just working on your tan. Water sports enthusiasts will be in heaven with activities like kayaking and snorkeling available. And don't worry about lugging around beach gear. The attentive beach attendants will set you up with towels, chairs, and even food and drink service. It's like having your own personal beach butler. But wait, there's more. The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach, although let's be honest, that's a pretty great way to spend vacation. For those of you who like to stay active, the resort has got you covered. While we don't have the specifics on the fitness center, it's safe to assume that a 5-star resort like this will have all the latest cardio machines and weight equipment to keep you in shape. After all, you've got to work off all those gourmet meals somehow, right? And if you're the type who needs a little motivation to hit the gym, the resort likely offers personal training sessions and fitness classes. Nothing like a drill sergeant. A friendly instructor to get you moving. But let's be real, you're on vacation. So why not try something a little more fun? The resort offers a variety of activities to keep you entertained. You could try your hand at some water sports, perfect your swing at a nearby golf course, or even take a cooking class and learn to make authentic Mexican cuisine. And for those days when you just can't be bothered to leave the resort, we've all been there. There's plenty of entertainment right on site. The resort hosts weekly live music performances that showcase the rich local culture. It's like having your own private concert, minus the overpriced tickets and crowded venues. Now, let's talk about relaxation. Because let's face it, that's what vacations are really about, right? The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit takes relaxation to a whole new level with their SE-SPA. This isn't your run-of-the-mill spa with cucumber slices and generic massage oil. Oh no, this is a wellness experience inspired by ancient Mexican traditions. The spa offers over 30 treatments that use natural, indigenous ingredients. We're talking massages with corn cobs, yes, you read that right, body wraps with coffee and cacao, and facials with honey and vanilla. It's like a farmer's market for your body. The spa's signature aromatherapy massages use custom herb blends from an on-site garden. So not only will you feel relaxed, but you'll smell amazing too. And let's not forget about the facilities. The spa includes a sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas where you can zen out before or after your treatment. Word to the wise, book your spa treatments in advance. These unique experiences are popular, and you don't want to miss out on the chance to have warm corn cobs rolled over your back. Trust us, it's more relaxing than it sounds. For those traveling with little ones, fear not. The Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit hasn't forgotten about your tiny travelers. The resort offers a kids club that'll make your children wonder why they ever complained about being dragged on a family vacation. While we don't have the exact details, it's safe to assume that the kids club is packed with fun activities to keep the young ones entertained. We're talking supervised playrooms for the indoor days and outdoor games for when the weather is perfect, which, let's be honest, is most of the time in this slice of paradise. The activities are tailored for various age groups. So whether you're traveling with toddlers or teens, they'll find something to keep them occupied. And the best part? While the kids are having the time of their lives, you can sneak off for that couple's massage or romantic dinner you've been dreaming about. It's a win-win situation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.